I way stupid. Hey beautiful, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for June. Let's open it together. This month it says the Oasis. See, in here is the Touch in Soul Fill Up Orange. Ooh, look how beautiful this is. Look at that. That is so pretty. This right here is calling to me. So I'm really glad that I got a palette in here, because like last month I wanted a palette. Next thing I see is the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye and Lip Cheek Palette. So we got a highlight. It looks like we got like a contour. It could be like a really pretty nude lip color. And then we have like a blush, which I think a blush shade, which I think can be on the lips as well. Yeah. Next thing in here I got is a Lilly Lashes Triple Mascara. I'm really excited. I think I only have like one pair of Lilly lashes, but I always hear people raving about them. Then we got this. This is freaking huge, so I cannot wait. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Safe for sensitive skin. Bump eraser, I cannot wait to use this on my legs, my arms, all that good stuff. So if you guys already have tried this out, let me know your guys' feedback and what you guys think. Does it work? Does it not work? Let me know, please, down below. Last thing, this is the lip and liner gloss from Cab. Look how huge this is. This is freaking huge. So I cannot wait. And then this kind of reminds me of the ColourPop pencils. I cannot wait. Colors like this, I feel like I can't really, I don't know, pull off that much. I would have loved a nude, but that's okay. So I'm really happy with the box. We got an eyeshadow palette, pretty much a contour and a blush, highlight. We got mascara. We got some skincare in here. We got some lip and a lip liner. Freaking bomb. Let me know what you guys got down below. So this is a try on, so let's get to trying this bad boy on the lids. Oh, you guys, I cleaned my brushes. They smell so good. They smell so freaking good. All right, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal concealer, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. I'm gonna go in with the Clean Makeup T29. I love when your brushes are clean and they just feel so nice. So I don't know what we're really going to do for this look, but I know I want something. So here's the palette up close. Freaking gorgeous, right? And of course I'm going to use that glitter because like I have to use that glitter. So let's go in with this shade right here. And we will be using a Morphe E17 brush. And I'm just going to just add that. Now I'm gonna go in with my Alamar brush, and we're going to grab that same shade. We're pretty much just gonna blend that color. So just circular motions, go really light with it, very nice with it. Blend. So I want to dip into another shade, but I'm going to grab another palette. And I'm going to go in with Lit from the Stacey Marie palette. I'm going to pick up Lit with the same brush. And I'm just going to just add it in here. So we have a little bit more of a boom. Okay, add it in here and then just like lightly blend. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with that orange and just add it right here as well. And then a little bit with the Lit as well and just add it right there. And I want to place that shimmery color just like boom, boom, right there. So far, I'm loving it. So now I'm going to grab the same brush and I'm going to mix it in. Just focus on that. Don't focus on my big ass head. Ooh, and we're just going to add it just like. Okay, not the perfectest it. Do it. So now I'm going to go back in with Lit. I'm going to grab a different brush. I will be using the Carroty brush, and I'm just going to just add that right here and just kind of blend right there. I really liked how that glitter just adhered perfectly. Like it didn't need nothing. It just went, hi, hello, you know? It just stuck perfectly. So I'm just going to just lightly tap and blend that in there. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with the Lilly Lashes mascara. It's really pretty packaging. And I'm just going to just coat my lashes and then go in with some fake lashes. I will be going in with the Salon Perfect Push Up Tight Curl 672. Now I'm gonna go in with All in the Field. I'm getting freaking acne again because I went out and the mask acne is a real freaking thing. At first I was like, nah, no way. But yes way. Yes. I'm gonna make sure I wash my face every time I come back in the house. Do I listen? Do I do it? No. But should I? Yes. So I'm gonna go in with my super sponge. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my Physician Formula, the Healthy Foundation, and I am using shade DC1. I really like how this foundation applies. And I like the e.l.f. applicator. I love it. It's just like super easy. Just beep, 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 beep. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know what's going on with me, but there's been a lot of baby talk around me lately, and I'm like super baby hungry. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like super baby hungry. I don't know why. Help me. Help me. Because I don't know why it's getting like this. Like super just baby hungry. I go to the store and then I see like all these cute little babies and I'm like, oh my god, they're so big and cute. I'm bad when it comes to baby, like being baby hungry, like super bad. And Jayda, like she's still like a baby, right? But I'm talking about like little chunky little baby. Like, I need help. I know it probably won't be in the cards, but still, I can dream, can't I? I was telling my mom, I was like, would you anything if like I were to get blessed again? I would have another little girl. Like I just feel it. Sounds like I'm going all kinds of hard, huh? Just highway stupid. All right, so I am going to use a Lower Geller multi-eye cheek lip cream. I am going to go in with the middle and I'm going to see if I can contour with that. It'll be like a warm contour. Okay, going with my Makeup Shack. I'm just going to blend it lightly. It's not really showing anything really. Let's see if it shows on the forehead. Yeah, it shows a little bit on the forehead. It's like very sheer. So it's probably gonna be really good for lips. Yeah, look at that. You guys can see it on the lips. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the shimmer color and add that in the middle. That's pretty. Okay, I'm just going to contour. I've been using this Smashbox contouring stick a lot because I'm trying to use it up. So if I want to like go through a product, I'll have it in front of me because I need to get through it. Now I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer, and this one is in 90W. And I'm just going to just add this right here and here and here. And you have to work fast. I always say it, but just in case you have not heard me say it, you have to work fast when you use this because it dries down. Let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the JCat Beauty Blush Mellow. This one's an Angel Kisses, and I like using this one to contour. It's really nice and blends like water. So it goes like a cream and then it turns into a powder. It's very forgiving as well. Now I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm just going to add it just like on my cheeks. Let's see. Put it on my cheeks and then up here as well. And then I'm going to go in with a blush so that I just like marinates with it. I'm gonna go in with this one. I've been using this one a lot. This one is a Makeup Obsession, isn't it peachy? And I'm gonna go in with Hint. Now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner. This one is in Sensational. Now I'm gonna go back in with Fill Up Orange, and we are going to grab that shade right there and just buff underneath our waterline. This is so freaking pretty. I love it. Like it just pops so freaking well together. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with some setting spray using the Cookie Fix It Up. Okay, so just for the video, I will be applying the lip liner and the lip gloss. Even though I know it's not going to complement the look, I do want to try it out just so you guys can see how it applies. So going with the lip liner, which is Charming, and then here is the lip gloss, which is Charming. I wish it was nude so it would go so well with it. So I really liked this color right here, the nude color in the palette. I'm gonna go in with a lip brush. Then I'm gonna go in with the shimmer. All right, going in with the LA Girl lip liner, and this one is in Coral. Now I'm gonna go in with the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is 826. And here is the orange. I definitely feel like it just pops more. Like, hello, hi. Alrighty, so here is the finished look. So I'm really happy with what came in the box. My most favorite thing, I can't say this just yet because I haven't taken a shower yet, but the Touch of Soul Fill Up Orange, I really like this palette. I feel like it's just summer vibes for sure. My favorite color out of the whole palette was this shade right here. I didn't need to add like any glitter adhesive, anything at all. It just like adhered to my eye beautifully. I love it. The Lilly Lashes mascara, it was good. It didn't really like wow me, but I feel like sometimes with mascaras, you need to like use it a couple more times and then see how you feel about it. So it's still kind of like, The lip liner and gloss, very, very beautiful. They just didn't go with the it just didn't go with the look, but I will put some use to those. I really like the Laura Geller Multitasking Lip and Cheek Palette. I feel like this is just perfect just for the lips. Just perfect for the lips. And I have not used this yet, but if you guys already have, please let me know your guys' thoughts. Please let me know your guys' thoughts down below. And let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm. I would love to know. I feel like I was like the last person to get their Boxycharm. Like I feel like it took like a hot freaking minute. But let me know your guys' thoughts and what you guys got down below. I love you guys so much. Besos a todos, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.